If you're writing PSIR for your UPSC mains this year, then this video is for you. Because now is the time to keep things simple. Now is the time to remove yourself from the clutter of wanting more content, wanting to get more and more notes. Now is the time to just settle in, look at what you have, the kind of notes you have, and put that content into good answers. Now is the time to write better answers, because better answers is equal to higher scores. So what is a better answer? So first thing is better answer में जो हम लोग steps देखते हैं, पहला चीज क्या है? Demand of the question meet हो रहा है कि नहीं? What is demand of the question? कोई भी question जब हम पढ़ते हैं उसमें एक स्कॉलर हो सकता है, एक कॉज हो सकता है, एक इफेक्ट हो सकता है, right? So let's say Gramsci's concept of hegemony, has made him different from classical Marxism. Critically analyze. Now, अगर ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो क्वेश्चन का डिमांड क्या है पहले वो समझना है. क्या वो क्वेश्चन ग्रामशी के बारे में पूछ रहा है, क्या वो क्वेश्चन क्लासिकल मार्क्सिज्म के बारे में पूछ रहा है, या वो क्वेश्चन कंसेप्ट ऑफ हेजेमनी के बारे में पूछ रहा है. वंस यू अंडरस्टूड कि एग्जैक्टली वो ग्रैंड आइडिया या एग्जैक्टली डिमांड क्या है, then in the introduction you know what to start with. You know exactly the first line that you're going to write. Now if you have a scholar to quote, fantastic, but हमेशा एग्जाम में ना scholars याद नहीं आते हैं. तो scholars ठीक है, but if you can't remember a scholar, use the grand idea and start your answer. ताकि जो evaluator है उसको पता है कि introduction में ही you are clear कि question क्या है. You are not, flapping around कि हाँ हम ग्रामशी के बारे में भी लिखेंगे, हम क्लासिकल मार्क्सिज्म के बारे में लिखेंगे. ये नहीं करना है, डायरेक्टली टू द पॉइंट लिखना है. एंड देन यू स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग द आंसर. पॉइंट्स पे आएंगे, उसके बाद एक ढासू सा कंक्लूजन के साथ हम एंड करेंगे. बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, हैव यू एवर रियलाइज कि हाउ गुड इज द डेजर्ट टेल्स यू अ लॉट अबाउट हाउ गुड इज द डिनर. कि मिठाई के बाद ही ऐसा लगता है अरे वाह यार अच्छा खाया, राइट? बट अगर मिठाई अच्छी ना हो तो यू डोंट फील लाइक अरे यार थोड़ा सा अच्छा मिठाई होता ना, कुछ तो मीठा मिसिंग है. सो इट इज ऑलवेज अबाउट द कंक्लूजन दैट मैटर्स. बट हम लोग कंक्लूजन पे ही ध्यान नहीं देते क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि हमने सब कुछ लिख दिया है, अब बस हो गया ना, एक कोई लाइन लिख के वे फॉरवर्ड ये करके लिख खत्म. बट दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू शुड डू इट. यू शुड एंड इट प्रॉपरली. And that is again something we call as a proper structure of answer writing. So once you have got the structure, you then move on to the flow of argument. What is flow of argument? Flow of argument is when you're making that introduction, body and conclusion, you have a proper thought there. There's a logic, there's a flow to the argument. ऐसा abrupt नहीं, introduction में कुछ है, उसका body में कुछ और आ गया, ये नहीं करना है. Your second and your third para, first introduction हो गया, your second and your third para should flow seamlessly. अगर question critically analyze है तो flow करेगा वैसे, अगर question examine या discuss है तो वैसा flow करेगा. तो ये सारी चीजों पे अब टाइम आ चुका है ध्यान देने का, राइट? बट इसके साथ साथ ऑफ कोर्स जो फोमो रहता है अपडेशन का, चाहे वो 1B हो या 2B हो, वो तो रहता ही है. So what I have done is in this 9-week course of mine, I have put these 3 components together. What I'm planning to do is we will start with revision. So revision कैसे करेंगे हम लोग every week we have a targeted reading, हम revise करेंगे, and after the revision we are going to have a marathon PYQ session. So what do we going to do in the PYQ session? We are going to have all the structures of the questions discussed कि ऐसे करके लिख सकते हैं. So when we do that PYQ structuring, you will automatically know कि you have to also frame your answers that way. Once you've got that, then I will start giving you half length tests and full length tests to practice. All these answers are going to be evaluated by me. And I'm also going to give you model answers if you need more content, we are going to have that. So we'll first finish 1A properly, then we'll come to 1B. So in 1B, apart from the PYQs, I am also going to take few classes to update. So what kind of updation? Delimitation के बारे में, party के बारे में, religion, caste के बारे में. We are going to talk about center state friction. We are going to talk about, did I say census as well? So a lot of things. Oh, judicial pendencies, right? So a lot of things that have been going on in the political world, we are going to update those things. Once we've updated, we are again going to go back to the same thing, writing, writing, and writing. The same goes for 2A, the same goes for 2B. In 2B, I will again take some classes. We are going to update our notes. You are going to have proper notes such as shift from rule-based order to interest-based order. How has India coped with it? So these are the nuances we are going to take a look at it. We are going to talk about choke point politics. A lot of these jargons I'm going to keep throwing at you ताकि आप लोग वो आंसर में लिख पाओ. But the core remains updation होंगे क्लासेस के थ्रू और इसके साथ साथ हम लोग काफी सारे आंसर्स लिखेंगे. Now we are not only going to write single answers which I'm going to tell you how to improve, but we are also going to write an HLT and FLT as part of this 9-week course. So once you are enrolled in the course, it's not just revision, it is answer writing as well as updation. All three things is included. Now, when I've designed the course, I made sure that there are triple revision that's going to happen. कि एक बार आप section wise करोगे, उसके बाद paper wise, and then finally. So there's going to be 3 layers of revision that's going to happen. Once you've finished 1A, you give an HLT. Once you've finished your paper 1, then you give an FLT. So things like that. 4 HLTs and 3 FLTs is part of this entire course. And again, as I said, that I will be the one to frame the questions. I will be the one to evaluate your answers. And during that evaluation, I'm going to tell you how to improve your structure. The nuances जिसे कहते हैं हम वो बहुत important है, उस पे हम लोग focus करेंगे. Right. Apart from this, so basically who should join? Anybody who's writing PSIR for UPSC 2026. They are all eligible for this course. Coming down to when does the course begin? The course begins immediately after the results are out. So within a day or 2, I'm going to start the course so that whoever is interested, they can just quickly come in and start with the course with the revision, right? Please feel free to contact me on Telegram, or you can contact Mentorate and the number given. And I'm also attaching the brochure in the comments so that you can pin it down in the comments so that you can get the number and the contact details. And if you have any question, feel free to connect with us. I wish you all the best and looking forward to meeting you soon. Bye.